Welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand the data validation approach for the scenario 3. In the previous videos, the scenarios were the source and target tables were in the same RDBMS. But now in this scenario, source and target tables are in different RDBMS databases. It is different. It is not in the same RDBMS. For example, assume that source is Oracle DB. The target is SQL Server. For both source and target, testing team has a permission. So in this context, how do you approach the validation? Let us look at that. One of the approach is create a temporary table in the target DB and export the source data into a flat file and load that flat file into the temporary table created in the target DB. Load this data into the temporary table. Then apply the transformation logic on this temporary table and compare that with the target table. Yes, we have already seen this approach in the previous scenario also. A similar approach works in this scenario as well. And the next approach would be apply the transformation logic on the source data, export that into a Excel sheet, and export the target table into a Excel file and perform the comparison in Excel files. This is how you approach the data validation when the source and target tables are in different RDBMS databases. Wonderful. Thank you.